Today let us see how to make use of this weekday function. Weekday function returns the day of the week corresponding to a date. Corresponding to a date. Let us see how this works. Now we are going to type weekday. Open bracket, select the date, or let us close it and enter. See here it gives 5. What does this number 5 mean? Now coming to the chart here, since we didn't give any return type here, if you give comma, we didn't give any return type. This one, no, these numbers. If no number is given, if nothing is given, it is will considered as 1. 1 means, let us see here, for 1 or omitted 1, it is Sunday through Saturday, and number 1 is Sunday. So the second one is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Number 5 means Thursday according to this one, the first one here, this one. So if you are going to give 1, let us see what happens if you give 1. Even if you give 1, you will get the same 5. So if you give 2, what will happen? 2, it will be 4. So what does the number 2 mean? 2 means Monday is the first day, Tuesday is the second day, Wednesday is the Thursday, 4 means Thursday. Yeah, right. 4 is Thursday. So similarly, using this chart, you can keep changing the first day of the. So here you see number 3 where Monday is 0. Monday is 0. Let us see what happens if I give 3. It has to be -1. It has to be 3. Yeah, sure. Good.